Welcome to this brief video presentation from Duncan Cartledge Online on estimating decoration work. Before starting to price this or any other trade, make sure you have access to the items listed here. And remember, rubbish in, rubbish out. NRM2 states that the items shown here are deemed to be included. This means that they are not to be measured in the bill of quantities or schedule of rates, and allowances should be built into other rates to cover it. Cutting to a line is explained on the following pages, as is work to opening edges. Multicolours work can be very time consuming, therefore allowances for additional labour should be built in. Cutting to line is illustrated here. It is where two colours meet and involves using a trade quality paintbrush to manually apply straight lines of paint along the edges of an area that does not require paint, for example a light switch, a door or a moulding. Work to opening edges is shown here and refers to vertical and horizontal edges of, say, a door. Usually only the faces of the door will have been included within the measured work. Refurbishment work or decorating on existing surfaces can take a lot longer than painting on new surfaces, as considerable preparation work may be required prior to painting. The cost of the preparation work must be included within the bill rates. Work to be decorated is described as general surfaces, irrespective of whether it refers to walls, ceilings or doors. The description will give the background, e.g. plaster, softwood, etc. The only exception is painting on glazed surfaces, such as doors and windows, and this has to be kept separate. This page shows labour constants for a variety of common decoration items. Unlike bricklayers or roofers, decorators generally work by themselves and not in gangs. The first item on the list, knotting and stopping, refers to preparing surfaces by filling any marks or imperfections in the surface to be painted, and knotting refers to sealing knots on the surface of timber, particularly pine, with shellac knotting to prevent sap from bubbling through the finished surface. Although once common, this task is mainly reserved for high-class clear finishes in 2026. Here is a typical bill item. However, for the full picture and over 9 hours of voiceover tutorials, and all for £7 a month, go to Duncan Cartledge Online.